Dynamic micro-story licensing reframes short narratives as a recurring revenue engine, licensing bite-sized plots to brands. Creators submit adaptable templates, buyers license rights, and fees scale with usage, renewal, and predictable cash flow. Real success comes from a micro-agency, pairing 4 authors with regional campaigns, turning stories into engagement and driving repeat orders. To start, map a niche craft, create 5 reusable lines, secure a simple license, and pitch 3 buyers quickly. With consistency, the model scales through repeat clients and a library of evergreen narratives over time.